Hello students, today we are going to see about chapter 2 linear equations in one variable for the standard 8. The example 1 is solve 2x minus 3 which is equal to x plus 2. So first of all, what is a linear equation? So whenever we have the variable in the equation, for example x is equal to 2, right? So here the power of x is nothing but 1. So whenever the power of the variable, the maximum power of the variable is 1, then we can say that equation as linear equation. And again the equation is with only one variable. We have only one variable which is nothing but x. For example, we have y plus x is equal to 2, means here it is two variables, right? But here in the equation what we are going to discuss is, always we are going to discuss with only one variable equation, which is also a linear equation where the power of x is always 1. Okay. So the first example is 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So first, what are all the variables you have? Only one variable which is nothing but x. Take all the x values in one side and the numbers in the another side. Okay, so you have left hand side and right hand side. Take the variables in one side, take the values in another side. So here I have 2x minus 3 which is equal to x plus 2. This is the given equation. Take x to the left hand side. So here it is plus x, when it comes to the left hand side it becomes minus x, and keep 2 as it is. Take this value number to the right hand side. So minus 3 it becomes plus 3. So 2x minus x is nothing but x, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the final answer. We have solved the equation and we have determined the solution, that is x is equal to 5. And for the example 2, it is solve 5x plus 7 by 2 which is equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. So again the same procedure, write the equation as it is as the first step and take your x values in one side and the numbers in the another side. So here I have 5x, take 3 by 2x to the left hand side which is nothing but minus 3 by 2x, and keep the number minus 14 as it is, and plus 7 by 2, when it comes to the right hand side it becomes minus 7 by 2. So when you see these two terms, here we need to find out the LCM. Here it is 1, here it is 2. So the common LCM is nothing but 2. Okay. So here the denominator is 2, so no need to multiply anything, but here the denominator is not 2, so what you have to do? You have to multiply with 2. Okay. So whenever I don't have any value right in the denominator, the common LCM is what? 1 into 2 is nothing but 2, right? So I have to multiply with 2 here. So 5x into 2 minus 3x, right, which is equal to, here again the common LCM is what? 2. So if you want you can write and see, here it is 1, here it is 2. So what is the common LCM? Common LCM is 2. Right. So here for the second term the denominator is 2, so no need to worry, but first term the denominator is 1, so what you have to multiply? We have to multiply by 2. So minus 14 into 2 minus 7. Okay. So here anyway 2 is here in both the denominator, you can cancel out 2 and 2 here. Okay. So whenever I have common values in the denominator, you can cancel out in both right hand side and left hand side. So numerator I have 5x into 2, that is nothing but 10x, and then minus 3x which is equal to minus 28 minus 7. So what is 10x minus 3? 3x, it is 7x. And then minus 28 minus 7 is nothing but minus 35. Okay. So we need to find out what is x. What is x? X is equal to minus 35 by 7. So when you use your 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay. So I can simply write x is equal to minus 5. This is my final answer. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.